Canada is becoming the most popular destination across the globe for international students for a variety of reasons. So hi everyone, my name is Rohit Jha, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 good reasons why should you pursue an MBA program from Canada. Now before I start, please do subscribe to our channel, press the icon on your screen so that you will be notified whenever we'll upload our videos on a variety of career options, global MBA, MIM, MS programs, interviews and resume. Now let me start with the first reason why should you do an MBA program from Canada. So the number one reason on the list is immigration friendliness and work permit for your program. Now Canada, they need people, but they need skilled people. They can, and that's being reflected in their policies for visas, as well as if you see their express entry visa policy for professionals, but that's a separate story. Now let's talk about the students. So during your studies, you can work for 20 hours a week on your permit and also full time during the vacations. Now why this is very important for students, because you can cover substantial part of your living expenses by working during your program. And the next important part is after the program. So just after finishing the degree, you will get a work permit of 3 years. And that's a very good time to actually settle down in any country and look for a job. And even if you're married, then your spouse can come and join you. He or she can find a work permit in Canada. So that's a quite a good time to settle down in Canada. So these are very good reasons to go out and do an MBA program from a Canadian B school. Now number 2 on the list is a thriving job market in Canada. Now I'm not going to talk about the current scenario, we'll talk about that scenario later. So firstly, if you see the last 5 years, they have created more tech jobs in Canada as compared to even Silicon Valley, and that's a very good achievement, I would say. So because of that, a lot of US companies now, they are moving their bases to Montreal and Toronto because of the expertise that they have built in the last 5 years. Another important element is not about the tech jobs also. If you see the statistics, in the first half of 2019, they have created more than 70,000 jobs in the private sector across different industries. Now these are the stats you cannot ignore. But definitely, let's talk about the current scenario. Now due to this COVID-19, across the world, the economies are slowing down, and definitely it will take some time to regain and bounce back. But of course, with the constant efforts from the Canadian government, the bailout packages, and definitely they're going to reform the economy very soon. But in the next 6 months to 1 year, there will be a slight downside, and we have made another video, the impact of coronavirus on the MBA as well as on the job market. So I'll give the link in the description. You can check out that video. But that's a separate story. Over and all, still everything will be bounced back, and again the things will thrive again in the Canadian market. So this is the number 2 reason. Now the number 3 reason is work-life balance. Now most of you will be surprised, why work-life balance? Because in most of the APAC countries, the work-life balance is very distorted, even if you see the rankings across the globe, even in US as well. But if you see, Canada in this category is thriving like anything. So there was a recent survey in last year, 70% of the workforce, they were extremely happy to have an excellent work-life balance. So if the majority of the people are happy, so definitely that's a good sign for an economy as well as for the employees. And that's a very good reason for you to go in Canada and work or settle down there. Because work-life balance, I'll tell you, it will be extremely important. Once you work for a few years, then definitely this becomes the number 1 priority for anyone. Initially you might not see the need, but definitely after a few years you will see the need. So for that reason, this Canada scores very high as well. Now the number 4 reason, fourth reason I would say, is very important for every student: greater ROI, your return on investment of your program. Now on an average, if you see the fee structure of Canadian schools as compared to US schools, and even in some parts of Europe as well as APAC, they are almost 30% less as compared to other schools, and that makes it very attractive. And combining that with a lot of scholarship opportunities in Canada, and we'll make a separate video on scholarship and With individual B schools, we'll tell all the pros and cons. So there are extremely lot of scholarships available for students. So that also makes it very, very attractive. So if you have that fee structure low with good scholarship, and it's icing on the cake when you come out of the program, if you see the average salary, it will be around $100,000. So obviously your return on investment is far better than as compared to any counterpart or any school in US as well as in Europe, in France, UK or Germany. If you see the statistics, you'll find Canada far better in terms of this index. So that's another reason. Now, last reason I would say is very important for a student life, that is the culture. So almost every year, if you see, almost 500,000 people, they move to Canada for education. So there's so many international students in Canada everywhere, specifically in Montreal and Toronto, but it's everywhere. The students, they're flying from different places. Now if you see a recent ranking in a survey by QS Global, Montreal is #1 in terms of the student life. And even some other parts of the Canada, they have also ranked very highly on this index. Why? Because of the multicultural approach. There are more than 50 nationalities you will find in different parts of Canada. Affordable living, student life, diverse nationalities. These things makes very attractive for a student to go there and study and enjoy the lifestyle as well. And another important element is, this is a very general statement, but definitely this comes from a lot of our students also. They have given this feedback that the Canadian, the international school, they are very open to international students and they're very collaborative in nature. So that makes it, very comfortable for an international student when he or she, go out of his or her own country. So that makes a very attractive proposition for the student. So these are the 5 reasons I think why you should move to Canada and for your MBA program, and we'll make another video specifically on different business schools in Canada, and we'll evaluate which one you should join based on your background. So keep following us. Do like, share or comment on our videos, and definitely give your feedback. We'll improve, we'll come up with better videos, and in the meantime, take care and thank you so much. Bye bye.